Introducing the 2022 E220d 4-door auto in stunning blue. This sleek vehicle, with a 2-litre engine, is packed with top-of-the-line features such as cruise control, heated seats, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is paramount with auto lights, ESP, and anti-collision system. The luxurious interior includes a leather trim and multifunction display. Plus, enjoy the convenience of split-fold rear seats and electric folding mirrors. This car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit fitzpatricksgarages.ie for more details.